Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you how I make these spider Halloween cookies. I start with 100 grams of room temperature butter and I whip it with a cake mixer. I add 1/4 cup white sugar and 1/4 cup brown sugar and then another 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And I mix them all together. I scrape down the sides and then I'll add an egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix again. Here I have 1 cup of flour with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'll add it to the mixture gradually. And here the cookie dough is ready. I shape the dough into balls and I put them in a plate with white sugar and coat the dough with sugar on all sides. The recipe makes around 18 cookies. I grab my cookie tray with a parchment paper and preheat the oven to 180 degrees. And I'll bake them for 7 to 8 minutes. After they come out of the oven, I make wells in the middle to add my chocolate. Here I have a mixture of semi-sweet and milk chocolate chips for half of them, and the other half I have Maltesers, and I stick them to the cookie with melted chocolate. I finish the cookie with adding the legs with melted chocolate. And then I'll stick the ice. And here's the finished cookie. Let me know if you try it in the comments, and thanks for watching.